Look at this screen. 5 gold stars. In the modern world, these stars are everything. If you have 5 stars, you get more work, you get more money. But if you get 1 star, you might lose your job. Today's story is about a delivery driver named Ali. He had a terrible accident on a rainy night. He had to choose, save his stars by lying or save his pride by telling the truth. Let's listen to the 5-star pizza. Meet Ali. Ali is 22 years old. He works for an app called Quick Eats. He rides a small red scooter. On his back, he carries a big square thermal bag. Ali is a good driver. He is fast. He is polite. His rating on the app is perfect, 4.9 stars. Ali is proud of this. I am a professional, he says. It is Friday night, 8 p.m. The city is busy. Cars are honking, beep, beep, and it is raining. It is pouring rain. The roads are wet and slippery. Ali's phone makes a sound. Ping! New order. 2 large pepperoni pizzas. Destination, the Blue Tower, apartment 5B. Customer note. Please hurry. My children are hungry. Ali accepts the order. Okay, he thinks. I can do this. I will be fast. Ali picks up the pizzas. They smell delicious. Hot cheese, spicy pepperoni. He puts them in his bag. He zips it tight. He starts his scooter. Vroom! He drives through the rain. The water hits his helmet. It is hard to see. Suddenly, a black cat runs across the street. Ali brakes hard. Screech! The scooter slips on the wet road. The bike falls over. Ali falls into a puddle. Splash! He is okay. He's wearing a helmet, but the big square bag hits the ground hard. Thump! It flips upside down. Ali stands up quickly. His knee hurts. His jacket is muddy, but he only cares about one thing: the pizza. He opens the bag. He opens the pizza box. Oh no, it is a disaster. The cheese has slid off the pizza. The pepperoni is stuck to the top of the box. The crust is folded. It looks like garbage. Ali looks at his phone. He is only 2 minutes away from the Blue Tower. He has 2 choices. Choice A, the lie. He can deliver the box, ring the doorbell, and run away. When the customer opens it, Ali will be gone. He can say, the restaurant made it bad, not me. He might save his job. Choice B, the truth. He can tell the customer, but the customer will be angry. They will give him 1 star. He might lose his job. Ali stands in the rain. He is cold. He is scared. He thinks about his 4.9 rating. Ali drives to the Blue Tower. He goes up the elevator to apartment 5B. He stands in front of the door. He is shaking. He rings the doorbell. Ding dong. A woman opens the door. She looks tired. Behind her, 2 little boys are shouting, "Pizza! Pizza!" The woman smiles. "Oh, thank you. You are wet. I am sorry about the rain." She reaches for the pizza box. Ali pulls the box back. "Wait," says Ali. His voice is
"Ma'am, I cannot give you this pizza." The woman is confused. "What? Why?" "I had an accident," says Ali. He opens the box. He shows her the mess. "I fell off my bike. The pizza is ruined. I am so sorry." The little boys stop shouting. They look sad. "Oh," says the woman. She looks at the ugly pizza. Ali closes his eyes. He waits for her to yell. He waits for the 1 star. But the woman does not yell. She looks at Ali's muddy jacket. She sees his wet hair. She sees that his hand is bleeding a little bit. "Are you okay?" asks the woman. Ali opens his eyes. "What?" "You fell," she says. "Are you hurt?" I am fine. But I ruined your dinner. I will pay for it. Please don't report me. The woman smiles, a real warm smile. It is just pizza, she says. You are a person. The woman takes the ruined pizza. Boys, she shouts, the pizza is ugly today. We have to eat it with forks. The boys laugh. Ugly pizza, yay! The woman turns to Ali. Thank you for telling me the truth, she says. Most drivers would just run away. She hands him a $10 tip. Go home, dry off, be safe. Ali walks back to his scooter. He is still wet, he is still cold, but he feels warm inside. He checks his phone. Ping! The rating from the blue tower comes in. Ali is nervous. Did she give him 1 star? He looks at the screen. 5 stars. And a comment. The most honest driver in the city. Thank you. My friends, in the modern world, we worry about our image. We worry about our profile picture. We worry about our rating. We try to look perfect. But Ali learned a secret. Being perfect is not the most important thing. Being real is the most important thing. Mistakes happen. If you own your mistake, people will respect you more than if you try to hide it. Thank you for watching The 5-Star Pizza. Drive safe today. Goodbye.